We all have that one person. You ask them what they want for their birthday or the holidays, and every single year, like clockwork, you get the same answer. Oh, I don't need anything. Or maybe it's the classic, just having you here is enough. And while that's incredibly sweet, it leaves you completely, totally stumped. The pressure starts to build as the date gets closer, and you find yourself staring at a wall of generic gift cards, knowing none of them feel personal. You want to give them something meaningful, something that says, I see you, and something that won't get shoved in the back of a closet. That struggle is real, and it can suck all the fun out of giving a gift. But what if the solution isn't about finding the perfect thing at all? If you've ever felt that frustration, you're in exactly the right place, because today, we're cracking the code on the hard-to-buy-for person. I've been there, I've done the legwork, and I found the answer. In this video, I'm not just rattling off a list of items. I'm about to share 5 unforgettable gift ideas that go way beyond just stuff. These are gifts that create memories, spark joy, and will genuinely delight even the most impossible person on your list. We're talking thoughtful, unique, and customizable options that prove the best gifts aren't always things you can hold, but experiences you can feel. Let's make gifting fun again. First up, let's talk about the most powerful gift you can give, a memory. Idea number 1 is to give custom family photo art. Now, I know what you're thinking, a framed photo? A little basic, right? But we can do so much better than that. The reality is, photos of our family are priceless. And in a world where most of our pictures just live on our phones, something tangible feels more special than ever. Think beyond a simple 8x10 frame. Imagine gathering a collection of family pictures, from those grainy childhood photos you have to scan, to recent vacation selfies, and turning them into a beautiful, custom-framed collage. Or, let's take it a step further. There are services that can turn a favorite family photo into soundwave art from a beloved song or a heartfelt voice message. It's visual, it's auditory, it's an entire moment captured as a piece of art. For the person who loves a good gadget, a digital photo frame is a brilliant option. These aren't the clunky, low-res frames from 10 years ago. Today's digital frames are sleek, stylish, and can be updated remotely by the whole family. You can set it up so kids and grandkids across the country can send new photos directly to the frame, creating a living, evolving gallery. They can wake up every morning to a new memory, a new smile, a new adventure. There are other amazing options too, like custom photo books that tell a story, maybe a year in review or a tribute to a special relationship. You can even find things like book-shaped vases that hold flowers on one side and display a photo on the other. So why does this work so well for the person who wants nothing? Because it isn't stuff. It's emotion. It's history. It's a physical reminder of the love that connects a family. You're not just giving them a picture, you're giving them a reason to pause, smile, and feel cherished. Next, let's skip the clutter entirely with the gift of connection, an experience gift certificate. Now, hold on, I don't mean a boring voucher for a chain restaurant. To make this feel special, you have to infuse it with personality. Think about what they actually enjoy doing. For the foodie who swears their kitchen is already maxed out, what about a certificate for lunch at that new, highly rated local spot they've been wanting to try? The real gift isn't just the meal, it's the dedicated time to connect with you. Instead of just handing over an envelope, frame the certificate with a handwritten note that says, "Let's finally go to that taco spot we've been talking about. My treat." Suddenly, it's not a voucher, it's a plan. And we can think bigger than just food. Do they have a hidden passion they never make time for? A gift certificate for a class can be a total game changer. Think about a pottery workshop, a watercolor painting class, or even something like knitting or candle making. These are fun, hands-on experiences that let them be creative and learn something new. For the person who loves to entertain, a cocktail making class or a local wine tasting is perfect. It's social, fun, and gives them some new skills to show off. For the more adventurous type, maybe it's a pass for indoor rock climbing or a guided kayak tour. The key is to match the experience to their personality. It shows you've been listening and that you see the things that light them up. An experience leaves behind no physical clutter, just a great memory and a great story to tell. Okay, my next idea is for the person with a bit of a green thumb, or even someone who just needs a little more nature in their life. It's the gift of something that grows, a living gift. And no, I'm not talking about a standard potted plant that feels more like a chore than a present. We're getting creative here. Consider a wildflower bouquet grow kit. This isn't a bunch of flowers that will wilt in a week. This is a kit that lets them grow their own beautiful arrangement right from the seed. It's a gift that keeps on giving, offering a little moment of joy each day as they watch the seedlings sprout and eventually bloom. Plus, for anyone who claims to be a plant killer, a lot of these kits are designed to be totally foolproof. Another charming idea is a unique planter that adds personality to their space, like a friendly-faced pot or a book-shaped vase for an avid reader. Pair it with a super low-maintenance plant like a snake plant or a ZZ plant, and you've given them a piece of living decor that's all cheer and no effort. For a serious gardener, you could even find a seed bank gift set specifically designed for their local climate, which shows an incredible level of thought. This gift is brilliant because it's symbolic. It represents growth, life, and your relationship with them. It's an ongoing reminder of your thoughtfulness that sits on their windowsill, and it's a breath of fresh air, both literally and figuratively. This next one is all about tapping into their unique taste. It's the gift of custom art that creates a vibe, their vibe. This is for the music lover, the home decor aficionado, or anyone who just appreciates a personal touch. It's about creating something for their space that they didn't even know they wanted, but will immediately love because it is so them. One of the coolest ideas out there is custom song wall art. You can take their favorite song, maybe it's your song as a couple, a rock anthem from their college days, or their wedding song, and turn the sound waves into a beautiful, minimalist piece of art. It's such a clever, sophisticated nod to a piece of music that means the world to them. Every time they look at it, they won't just see a pattern, they'll hear the song in their head. Another fantastic option is a personalized neon sign. These have moved way beyond bar decor and are now super stylish home accents. You can get a sign made with an inside joke, a favorite quote, or a single powerful word like dreamer. It's bold, fun, and adds so much personality to a home office or living room. For the history buff, a custom birthday book from the New York Times is an incredible choice, featuring the front page from every single birthday of their life. These gifts work because they are hyper-personalized. They show you know their favorite song, their sense of humor, or their love of nostalgia. It's not something they'd ever buy for themselves, which is the hallmark of a truly great gift. You're not just decorating their walls, you're celebrating who they are. And my final idea is for the person who loves to tinker, experiment, and create. Give them a hands-on DIY kit. This is the perfect answer to passive gift giving because it's an engaging activity with a fun and often consumable result. That means zero long-term clutter, which is a major win. The world of DIY kits for adults has absolutely exploded. For the foodie, consider a hot sauce making kit where they can create their own signature blend. Or what about a kit to make fresh mozzarella or ricotta cheese? There are kits for making everything from rainbow bagels to Chinese soup dumplings. It's an experience and a delicious outcome they can be proud of. For the person who enjoys a good drink, a whiskey infusion kit or a homemade limoncello kit can be a fantastic choice. They get to play mixologist and create custom flavors. These are perfect for someone who loves to experiment but already has a well-stocked bar cart. This category is so effective because it's about the process as much as the product. It gives them a fun project to dive into on a quiet afternoon and satisfies that creative itch. And since the end result is often edible or drinkable, it gets used up and enjoyed, leaving behind only a great memory. You're not just giving them an object, you're giving them a chance to play. So there you have it. 5 unforgettable gift ideas for that person who's notoriously hard to buy for. We've covered turning memories into art, gifting experiences, giving something that grows, creating a personal vibe, and encouraging creativity. The common thread here is thoughtfulness. It's about stepping away from the endless online shopping and really thinking about who this person is and what brings them joy. The best gifts show someone they're seen and appreciated. For the person who wants nothing, what they often value most is your time, your thought, and a gesture that speaks directly to them. Now, I want to hear from you. Who is the hardest person on your list to shop for? And what are some of your go-to gift ideas? Let's help each other out in the comments below. If you found these ideas helpful, please give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel, and you won't miss what's coming up next. Thanks for watching and happy gifting.